Hi, so yesterday I verified my Binance account with my Zambia NRC. So if you did not know, like in the past, like if you wanted to verify your Binance account or Binance, I don't know how you pronounce it. So if you don't know what Binance or Binance is, that's like a crypto exchange platform where you can buy and sell Bitcoin. So in the past, it wasn't like allowing you to verify your account using your NRC. It would only work when you use a passport or a driving license. But as at now, you can actually use your NRC, and I actually just did that, and my account was verified, and I can now buy and sell Bitcoin. So let me just show you that. Okay, still loading. Okay, so as you can see, um okay, so as you can see right there, it's saying that my account is actually verified. Yeah, my account is verified, and actually verified it using my government issued ID. So, and as you can see, like the limits have been increased. I can buy, I can deposit using my bank cards, I can withdraw Bitcoin, like withdraw it, convert it into fiat. Yeah, so this is it about this video. It was simply an announcement like telling that you can now actually verify your Binance account with your NRC. So now it is easier to buy and sell Bitcoin in Zambia. Okay, you don't have to worry about being scammed by other people, like when you try to sell Bitcoin to someone you don't know and end up scamming you. But in this case, simply get your account there, verify your account, buy and sell just there. You won't be scammed. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe.